Hi there, I'm Prav. Today I'm going to be turning trash into treasure. I'm going to start by dismantling this microwave I found at my grandpa's house. Let's find the screws. As you can see, there are many electronics that are interesting in the microwave, including the Pride, the transformer. Steps up 220 to 2000. Yeah, we have finished our microwave salvage. We have a couple components. This is a Vectron. Pointing at somebody, it gives you cancer. So, don't play with it. We have 3 mechanical switches. The AC induction motor runs off mains voltage. A prize, the super high voltage transformer. A super high voltage capacitor with a 1 microfarad capacitance, a synchronous AC motor from the spinny plate, a high voltage diode for rectifying the diode, the 2000 AC to the capacitor. We have an incandescent light bulb and some thermal fuses. I'm going to explain what these things do. This is the Megatron. It takes the 2000 volts from the trusty transformer and outputs it into our microwave at 2.4 gigahertz, which can cause cancer. So good for cancer gun. This is a mechanical switch. Yeah, it's just its name already tells it. This is an induction AC motor or brushless AC motor. It's a fan, just motor with a fan. This, however, is what we want. Super heavy 2000 volt transformer or high voltage transformer. This is a high voltage capacitor with a capacitance of 1 microfarad, and this is a high voltage diode for rectifying the AC voltage from the transformer into this capacitor. Wait, this thing outputs 2000 volts, 2100 volts. This is supposed to blow up. And then we have the synchronous AC motor, which is just a motor with a gearbox. This is I don't know yet what, I think it's an incandescent light bulb or maybe a fluorescent. Simple. And we have some thermal fuses. They just open the circuit when they get too hot. And thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next episode. Bye!